So this is my little date night outfit. Hi guys, welcome to I don't know how long this vlog is going to be because the camera only has got 12% battery, but we're going on a date night. I'm very excited. I did my makeup today with part OG, part like other stuff that I have. The lips that I'm wearing are OG. And we're currently on our way to Publix. Yeah, why did you go to this one? This one's the further one. Currently on our way to Publix, and then we are going to go see a movie and have some pizza. So I'll see you guys there. Are at Medici, which is a pizza place that we haven't been to in a long time. Very exciting stuff. So this is my little date night outfit. This is an old top. This is from Princess Polly. Steve Madden. How do I look? So we just had pizza. It was really nice. What did you think? His was way
better. Oh, it was good. I had a calzone.
His was, actually we had calzones, but
kind of pizzas.
His was so much better than mine. It's not even funny. So now we're gonna go on a little walk. Or mango. Oh, it's very free. It's pretty good. Came to grab our jacket, and now we're going to the movies, right?
Yes.
Almost fell. Hi guys, good day. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning here, and I'm getting ready to shoot some content. I'm gonna put you guys down so you guys can kind of get a glimpse into behind the scenes of my day here.